Alrighty, so that's a 2.1 amplifier with the Mosfet subwoofer amp and STK 41412 IC stereo amplifier, and these two are the sound box. These are very old, which has 8-inch woofer and the 4-inch tweeter. They both are the same, and the bottom one, that's a 10-inch subwoofer. Well, actually that is not a subwoofer, it's a 10-inch 100-watt woofer. And the enclosure I bought, that was not so good. The sound must be not so heavy, it's kind of boomy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna test this 2.1 amplifier say to this very old speakers, and let's see how do they sound. And also let me tell you that that's a 2.1 amplifier, which that two channels that doesn't have any tone controller, no bus treble, nothing. So the channel sound may be a little bit of flat kinda. So let's see how it sounds.
Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name. Now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
Let me tell you that the sound is not too bad. The subwoofer is working quite a bit good, but the stereo speakers, they are not doing so well because not having the tone control. The sound is quite a bit flat and the vocal is a bit more, so that's a problem. But overall the bass is quite a good. So let's listen once again.